5 lessons I learned from Veekee James' waiting season. Number 1. Veekee James waited on the Lord during her waiting period. Veekee James and her husband chose not to visit the hospital. They didn't have to see a doctor, but depended wholly on God. There was no room for doubt. I watched the part where Veekee James and her husband said no when uncles and aunties advised them to go see a doctor. They believed God exists and that He can fix it. To every TTC mom, wait wholly on God. Number 2 lesson I learned is that Veekee James and her husband allowed the will of God to come to pass, even when they had a choice regarding a particular gender. Veekee said in one of the videos they released that she actually wanted a girl, but she let God's will be done. There is power in allowing the will of God to prevail in your life. 3. I learned from Veekee James' waiting season that Veekee James and her husband were united during the waiting period. Despite all the social media drag and backlash, a seed grows in a peaceful land where unity is the watchword. If you're a TTC mom, ensure you are in sync with your partner. This is exactly what Veekee and her husband did. 4. Veekee James and Mr. Terrell used the power of worship to overcome their challenge. God inhabits the praises of His people. During their pregnancy announcement, Mr. Femi said, "You thought I just wore Zion worship for nothing?" Such a family of prayer, worship, and faith. Dear TTC moms, don't joke with worship. Sing hymns and worship songs and see God in action. 5. I also learned the importance of having quality friends and maintaining good relationship with people. Do not fight your friends who are pregnant. Do not fight your friends who have babies. It may seem difficult, but share in their joys. Celebrate them and wish them genuine happiness. Extend kindness to babies and wait for God to bring your child of promise. The same God who answered Veekee James will answer you. You are next to be a mom.